Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start by telling you what I got and how I was inspired. So basically I wanted to do like a really cute bohemian look for my new room, but I did want it to be more colorful. So let's start off with this little area. So I have the closet right there. This little thing right here I got from, I believe, TJ Maxx. And I have all of my body sprays, all of my mask stuff, and all of my little room sprays from Bath and Body Works, which I love. This little cute nightstand, my friend got it for me and it was actually free. Somebody was giving it out outside of her old apartment and she's like, do you want it? I was like, oh my god, yes. And basically this was the piece that I decided to work around to design my entire room. So yeah, I love it so much. It's really cute, very good condition. So then I got this base and this pumpas, hopefully I'm saying it right, but I got all of this at World Market. Super cute. I got this first and then I added these pops after. This is more of a bigger one, very full. I love how full it is. Then I also have here my little diffuser, essential oil diffuser. It's so cute when it lights up. I have my little perfume there. I know I've been saying I'm gonna do a perfume collection, but I've moved, so much has happened, so I haven't gotten a chance to, but I have my little crystals and my little sage and this little cosmic book that I haven't read yet, but I got this at World Market, super cute. This little piece here, I actually found it as I was doing like my daily walk. I found it, it was free outside someone's house, and I decided to just put a bunch of perfumes in there. And then I have this thing up here, which I also found for free, and it was at a kind of like a yard sale. So I hung it up and I added a bunch of my little perfumes here, and I have a little aloe plant there. So then for the wall art, this one actually was already here when I moved to this house, so nobody wanted it, so I was like, I'm just gonna put it in my room. These I already had before. This from Target, World Market, Ross, so I bought this because I knew it was gonna match with that. And then for my pillows, I got most of these at, I think, World Market, Target, and then this one and this big one was at Ross. My little pumpkins also at Ross. This one was at Macy's. The rest of the stuff I already had. And then I want to show you my rug because I feel like this is what really ties in the whole room together. So again, I wanted to keep it very colorful, but also play with that teal color. So this one is from Amazon. I think it was like $99, but it's actually really big. So I really love the rug. I think it just ties everything together. I also bought this little like side table, I guess, but I just have it here. It also has a really pretty like teal mosaic. I have my little CZ plant, which I love. It's doing so good. Next, I bought this at Ross as well. Essential oil, little sticks. And there you go. So I have here this newest addition. So I bought this plant holder at World Market as well. This is my new plant. So cute. I'm obsessed with it and the color. I already had these letters, these little shelves. My friend Adriana gave me these. I love this plant too. So cute. This little frame, I actually found it as I was doing yard sales too. I just found it and it was super cheap. I bought like 6 things for $6. This plant, my mom gave it to me and it's grown so much. I'm obsessed with it. Usually I keep my laundry thing here, laundry basket. So this room doesn't have a light up here, so I added this light, which is from Home Goods. So I just kind of connected it down here. These curtains I already had, I believe they're like from Ross. And then here I decided to put a couple more plants. I feel like it just looks so cute. So I have this plant. Maybe I should do a plant collection video. Let me know what you guys think. And then this side I have my little like vanity area. So I have some more plants that are just hanging. And then this one my friend gave it to me. This one I already had, I believe it was from Target. This I got at Home Goods. And then this I love. It just keeps your skincare so fresh and it feels amazing. So this was from Ulta. This was also not thrifting, but yard sale, one of the items that I was telling you guys. I already had these from a long time ago. The pineapple head broke, so that's why I have this on top. Then these I got from Target. This one of my friends gave me. My little lamp here, I had this lamp, and then this other lamp over there I got at Ross. This I already had Amazon. My newest plant obsession. And this I got at OfferUp, which is such a good deal. I think it was like $80, but it's like really good wood quality. This my friend gave me for my birthday. I got this at the World Market. It's like a little incense thing. And then this I also got as part of the yard sale. And this is what I'm telling you guys, from Ross, as well as the other lamp. So yeah, this is basically my room tour. So there you have it, you guys. This is such a super quick video, but I really wanted to put this up because I feel like I'm super happy with the way my room came out. I finally really love the way it looks. So I just kind of want to give you a little inspo if you're trying to kind of change up your room or whatnot. Don't be afraid of color. Don't be afraid of too many plants. You can never have enough. And there you go.